There is, I guess, newness from project to project. The application definitely impacts, what we want are the main features of our design to target. And every project's going to have a slightly different application. I mean, from a general broad sense, we're talking about floor preparation. But all of them are going to have slightly different user interfaces or nuances about how it's used. And having not been in the industry can be good in that you can take it's like a fresh pair of eyes on it, right? So you're coming at it from how else could we solve it? Maybe you've seen some things in other industries that are conceptually similar, and maybe you want to stretch that from that industry into ours.